Juliet Whiskey, contact departure is airborne, winds 2307, clear takeoff, runway 24 left short.
Okay, departure airborne, clear for takeoff, 24 left, 300 Juliet Whiskey.
Alright, 2 and takeoff, powers achieved, airspeed's alive, 70 knot cross checks, panels clean, B1, rotate. Positive rate, up, B2 plus 10.
Set 4,000, and yes, LS06. Sweet Romeo.
Confirm 4,000, 3022, 8 Romeo Yankee.
4,000, 3022, 3 Romeo.
Airbus Canuck 102, turn left now, heading of 270. I'll just bring you to the west here.
Okay, left heading 270, Airbus Canuck 102.
Roger.
Montreal, hello, Bus Canuck 177 with you, descending 7,000.
Stand by, Emirates 244, flighting 080.
Heading 080, Emirates 244.
Airbus Canuck 177, Montreal Terminal, runway 06 in Mirabel, altimeter 3022, information hotel, proceed direct Lonra.
Information hotel 3022, present position, direct Lonra, Bus Canuck 177.
Departure, citation November 300 Juliet Whiskey, 4,000, climbing 5.
300 Juliet Whiskey departure, identified, climb flight level 230.
2300 Juliet Whiskey.
Alright, we'll do our afters. After takeoff, landing gears up, lights are good, flaps are
Airbus
up.
Canuck 177, what are your intentions?
We'd like
Lights
to
are as required, pressurization,
the,
we are
approach
climbing.
runway 06.
A little
And it's a full
pressurization.
stop, confirm?
We're good.
Negative, we want to continue after that
Good,
VFR for 2 circuits.
Airbus Canuck 177, I checked, so descent to 4,000, direct Lonra, and I'll have the RNAV for you.
Descending 4,000, direct Lonra, Bus Canuck 177.
Emirates 244, proceed direct to Rabic on course.
Rabic Emirates 244, thanks sir.
Roger. Hey Romeo Yankee, can you increase your rate down? You're about 30 track miles to fly there to final.
Affirmative, 28 Romeo Yankee.
Thank you.
Precare 4550 is 2,000, climbing 5,000.
Precare 4550, Montreal departure, identified, climb 10,000.
Climb 10, 10,000, Precare 4550.
Nord de Montréal, Cyrus Golf, Mike Tango Québec au bureau, on quitte 9000, correction, 900 pieds.
Cyrus Golf, Mike Tango Québec, terminal de Montréal, bonjour, vous êtes identifié, montez 7000 pieds.
7000 pieds, Mike Tango Québec.
Juliet Whiskey, turn left and fly heading 200. Are you able to 50 knots?
200, yes sir, we can pick it up to 250.
So maintain 250 knots or better, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
0 Juliet Whiskey.
2 Kilo Whiskey's at 11,000.
2 Kilo Whiskey, Montreal Terminal, I checked that. Lower momentarily, runway 06 in Mirabel, altimeter 3022.
022, expecting 06, November 82 Kilo Whiskey.
Airbus Canuck 177, descend 3,000 via Lonra, cleared the RNAV 06 approach, speed 210 knots or better until established.
Okay, cleared down to 3,000 via Lonra, cleared the RNAV 06 at 210 knots or better until established, Airbus Canuck 177.
Precare 4550, climb flight level 230 and speed 250 knots or less.
Basically, I had to take off the VNAV, so it's not flying the speeds that are in the box.
Emirates 244, keep a good rate up to 15,000, please.
Good rate up to 15, Emirates 244.
Roger. Mike Tango Québec à 2500 pieds, procédez direct Tamco.
500 pieds, direct Tamco, Mike Tango Québec.
Airbus Canuck 102, so you're ready to descend now?
Affirmative, ready to descend and go to Mirabel, Airbus Canuck 102.
Roger, and it's multiple approaches confirmed?
Negative, that will be a complete stop and then we'll do another climb, Airbus Canuck 102.
Check 2 Kilo Whiskey, descend 6,000.
Kilo Whiskey down to 6,000.
Airbus Canuck 102, descend 6,000. And do you want the ILS or the RNAV?
ILS 06 and we descend 6,000, Airbus Canuck 102.
Roger. Romeo Yankee, flighting 340.
Heading 340.
Alright, so we're doing 350 knots and still doing 2,500 foot a minute.
Direct Albany.
Direct Albany, Brickyard 4550.
Pretty good.
3233, direct time
They should
calling
give me
for us.
direct Bugsy or something here a little bit. I don't think we'll go
Mike Tango
false.
Québec, montée 8 1000 pieds.
Pied, Mike Tango, Québec.
L'altitude a été coupée, confirmé 8000 pieds, Mike Tango Québec.
Massif 8000 pieds final, on peut rester à 7 pour un petit peu de temps.
Non, montée 8000 pieds, Mike Tango Québec.
1000 pieds, Mike Tango, Québec.
Jazz 7959, contact Montreal Center 12877.
2877, good day, Jazz 7959.
244, contact Montreal Center 3235.
That was 3235, Emirates 244, it's him.
2 Kilo Whiskey, flighting of 290.
290, 2 Kilo Whiskey.
Best Canuck 102, fighting 240, it'll be vectors to final and descent of 5000.
Okay, descend 5000, heading 240, Best Canuck 102.
Roger.
Departure Pittsburgh Jet 36 is 2000, climbing 5000, runway heading.
Pittsburgh Jet 36, Montreal departure identified, climb 7000.
7000, Pittsburgh Jet 36.
Best Canuck 177, speed 160 knots or better to OMSOP.
160 knots or better to OMSOP, Airbus Canuck 177.
Zero Whiskey, contact Boston Center with your heading and speed 1357.
357, 0 Juliet Whiskey, good day.
Bravo Whiskey, contact Montreal Center now 13235.
132.35, micro.
Got 6 for golf, turn left on Mike 5, contact round off.
Turn left on Mike 5, 7764 golf.
Zero Juliet Whiskey's going to signature.
0 Juliet Whiskey, roger.
Greensboro Tower, Honda test 21, visual 23 left.
500.
Test 21, Greensboro Tower, runway 23 left, clear to land.
23 left, clear to land, Honda test 21.
Alright, held down's away before landing checks are complete. Power's idle. Come on down.
Station 0 Juliet Whiskey, turn right at Kilo 1, straight into the ramp with me.
Kilo 1, straight in the ramp with you, 300 Juliet Whiskey.
Tower 136 Golf Hotel, turn about an 8-mile right, base 23 left, be a full stop.
The 6 Golf Hotel, Greensboro Tower, runway 23 left, continue, traffic will be holding in position.
All right, we'll continue for 23 left, 6 Golf Hotel.